Oh!
We're alive.
Change pants. Didn't know we were American, sorry.
Well, trousers, you know. I didn't my pants. We should
Really?
talk about this.
You enjoyed Jamestown?
Well,
Are you
no,
ready?
that's key.
No, I'm pretty sure he's put his pants at least once. Change pants.
It was only Saturday.
Didn't know we were American,
That's why we
sorry.
Grab back and say.
Well, trousers. Okay.
God, that was so funny.
I didn't. Yeah.
I think you guys should like
Like
log
cramp.
into your
Cramp.
mod accounts.
Well, what?
Your mod
What, on
rate
Twitch?
Yeah.
What's going on? I didn't hear him.
You log into mod accounts.
Yeah, mod rate.
Oh, okay. I'm on NBA at the moment, so...
Oh, that's great. I feel I'm helping Samuel.
I am happy.
Something. I thought you were going.
Yeah, be right back in like 2 minutes.
He lied.
Whoa, hour of code. I got adverts on Twitch. Why have I got... See, my ad block's not working anymore.
Did you just save it permanently with thing?
No.
Maybe they're like built in now, so you can't do it. So it doesn't work for them.
Hi. Am I on my thing account now? Oh, I'm not mod. What is this? What is this?
Have I got a mod? Fuck's sake. Ooh, there's a purple one. Purple one, Nathan. Purple.
Who's
Purple.
Oh, you got... Yeah, but...
Uh-huh.
There's purple ones?
Yeah. Fucking hell. Shows how much you got on there.
I don't go on there much, as I should probably. Nah. Who needs money?
No, I'm not mod either. He just hates us, really.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
So are you losing at NBA, Samuel?
What? Am I losing at NBA? What?
You're losing at NBA, right?
My team is 2 points down. Why?
Oh, because you suck.
You suck.
You suck. I saw you playing. It was landed.
Really?
Yeah. So what you've been doing for the past 3 hours that you've been awake?
Finishing SDP.
Alright.
Yeah. Watching some House of Cards. Did you watch Walking Dead yet?
Yeah.
Very good episode. Very good episode.
What is that squeaking sound? Oh, it's
I'm gonna go back to bed.
You want to go to bed?
Yeah.
You serious? You're saying you want to go to bed?
Yep.
What now?
Yep.
Nope.
Yeah.
You agreed to help, so you're gonna help.
Well,
Did I agree to help?
Yes, you said yes. Let's do it.
well, you said let's as in you.
Well, if you guys want to leave, you can.
Okay, bye.
Bye. No one's coming.
No. Well, just give them time. Let's tell
Is it
people
me or the stream is stopped?
we're not admin.
No, you are. It says the op.
We're streaming.
I know we are.
No, I'm trying to type weird, but it's not correct
right.
thing.
Oh. I almost there.
There are a whole 3 people here.
One, me, you, and Carlos.
Pretty much.
A whole 3 people. See, look.
To be honest, I'm doing something that Nathan asked me to help him.
Yeah. My streams. It's a Nathan stream party. Yeah. Nah, I'm not working on anything. What's up?
Hmm?
I'm talking to myself.
Oh. Well, that's not a surprise. You're always talking to yourself. So yeah, it's 9 o'clock.
Well, these guys on YouTube.
Yes, it will go on YouTube.
Okay. One sec.
And 0 background noise.
Yep. Well,
Hello.
is it you?
You're looking for. What's Steam downloading?
Your mama.
Oh, what you can get is not.
You can,
Yep.
how much?
50 pence.
Maybe when it's 75% off.
Shots have been fired. Wow. Well, that's what?
What?
Never. No.
Larry's watching.
Hello, Larry. How'd you know Larry? Like your comment. Oh, Dan.
Oh,
We have people.
people's.
Carlos, what is the topic for today? Should we start the stream?
Huh?
I
We are
feel we need some. We need some intro music.
I think the stream is a bit laggy though.
No, it's not.
Probably just me then.
Mm-hmm.
Dan's there.
I said that. Thanks, fella.
We know he's.
Then he said. Then he see Dan.
You know, I think Twitch is getting really crowded because of that Pokemon thing.
I was just not about to go look at that.
Don't open that. It's too laggy.
Twitch plays Pokemon.
It still probably doesn't have as many viewers as LOL.
What? It has
Well,
20
okay.
million views.
What does?
The Pokemon.
Yeah, current viewers I meant.
It probably has like
60,000.
60,000.
Yeah, probably not as many as LOL then.
Probably has more.
Really?
It has 50. Okay, no. LOL's got 100,000 at the moment.
You know, I think
Pokemon
Twitch is
Red,
getting really
Pokemon
crowded
Red or
because of
Blue
that
has
Pokemon
57,000.
thing. Echo.
Yeah, but that's just one channel. Just making all that content.
Yeah, now look at go into LOL and see if it's one channel. It'll probably be one channel.
People have already made copies and doing other games.
Is it? Can you guys go on Twitch and see if your thing's kind of loading?
What do you mean?
Your Twitch, like the video on Twitch.
No.
Mine
I'm
keeps on loading.
Nope. It's fine for me.
It's weird.
Where are they at now? 29 million views. That's had. Everyone go watch Twitch Plays Pokemon.
Shut up.
I closed it.
I think we should just move to YouTube.
We need 100 subs,
No, we don't.
don't we?
We already have
Don't we?
like. we can do it already.
Yeah, they changed that.
All right, cool. Well, next Tuesday maybe.
I don't
I don't know
know.
how YouTube will compare.
You can try it out.
I don't know how to use that. So for you guys that are watching, this is our website, TechNewbs.com.
What? How did you make that website look so pretty, Carlos?
Skills.
Bootstrap.
I think no, it's not Bootstrap.
No, just say Bootstrap. It's a freaking segue.
Shut up.
Bootstrap Bill.
I haven't got any of the chat.
You shut up.
Huh?
I haven't. The chat's not loading for me anymore. I've got more chat on the stream than on the actual chat.
No.
It was not built with Bootstrap. But we can have a Tuesday doing WordPress.
Oh, really?
Yes, I can
Is
teach
that
you guys.
what you?
Yeah, I can teach you guys how to install WordPress, and then how to customize it, get your own themes. We can even make a plugin sometime.
Wow.
This stream is very delayed. I've stopped looking at the website for about 20 seconds. Okay, so for today we're going to use Bootstrap. For the ones who don't know, Bootstrap is a front-end framework for developing responsive mobile-first projects on the web. So basically, a website, like, how can I explain it? It's like a package that helps you create websites.
Oh, okay, cool. And they make them look pretty, right? Right?
Yes, you can make them pretty with it. So, yeah, that's pretty much what Bootstrap is. I need to know if people are actually seeing this properly.
I'm watching. Oh,
But does your freeze or something? Dan's telling me that this one is crazy. I just refreshed the page and it says entitled broadcast. What? Twitch is messing up. Let's see if it loads. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna use Bootstrap. So download Bootstrap. That'll be a pretty good thing to do.
Do you advise us working alongside with you?
You don't really have to.
Okay, well, I'll work alongside you when I'm rewatching the stream, probably.
Okay. So the aim is to create a C#.ASP.NET website, and then connecting Bootstrap to it and making it bootstrappable.
Yep.
Yeah. So basically, having a ASP.NET website that uses Bootstrap for the customization and stuff, and that's pretty much what we're gonna do. So the first thing we gotta do is to create a new C# project. I'm gonna create a empty web form thing. Okay, no. If you're using Visual Studio 2012, you're gonna have to use the ASP.NET empty web application. And I'm gonna call this TechNewbs Bootstrap.
Yarr.
Yes. So
you know, it's so laggy. I can't see a thing that you're doing.
Fine.
But whatever.
Empty web application, and you can call it whatever you want. I'm calling it TechNewbs Bootstrap.
For some reason, the Visual Studio doesn't look very high quality. It's very.
Sorry, I've got a view for the coding.
Okay. It's all like pixely, very pixely, but I can barely read what any of it says. But it should be fun.
If you try changing the source, no, there isn't a source option for me. No.
Well, no, I'm streaming at 720p, so there should be some sort of. I'm not sure because my screen is 1080p. So yeah. Okay. So basically, you create that project, and you should just get an empty project without anything. I'm gonna change to code view, which view IMA, so that it's easier for you guys to see what I'm doing. So the first thing we're gonna have to do is to create a new master page. We're gonna create a master theme. So I'm gonna call it master style. You can call it whatever you want. And then yeah, we get this page. I'm gonna try and make this text a bit bigger. Okay. Can you, on the stream, can you just tell me if you can read the text when it eventually gets there?
Yeah, you just type master style. Yeah, I have to go full screen, but it's still a bit blurry. Oh, there you go. Oh, too big. Okay, that looks good.
So right now we have a master page then. If for the ones that don't know, the master style page is a style that you can use in all your pages. So imagine you have a navigation bar, and you want to keep that navigation bar the same on every page. You would put that navigation bar in the master page, and then you'll only have to change it there, and not in all the pages, basically. So it's just a convenient way of having a style throughout your website. So yeah, you should have two content placeholders. I do. So I'm gonna call this the form placeholder, just because it's easier for me to identify it. And basically that's it. Now let's create a content page. You can just go add and then content page, call it default, so that it's the page that loads any time you open your website. And then yeah, you should have two content placeholders. And inside the form placeholder, just do a header. This site is not bootstrapped, for example. Okay. So when I load this page, you can see that the font is Times New Roman, which is the default font for Internet Explorer. So yeah, let's make it bootstrappable. That's a word.
Bootstrappable. We should apply it to the Oxford Dictionary.
Sure.
Send it to them.
Well, if they added twerk, I don't see why they wouldn't. So yeah, to do this, we first have to download Bootstrap. You can go to getbootstrap.com and then just click the button that says download Bootstrap. It takes you to the page where you can get started, and you're going to download one that says download Bootstrap. Okay, as soon as you get it, you go and get it from your downloads. I should probably make a folder for this. Okay, so you have it in a folder. You just extract, and the files you need are inside. Okay, so what you gotta do is to find the project. You just have to right click the project and then open in File Explorer, which you cannot see on the screen. But you right click the project, and then there's a link at the bottom that says open folder in File Explorer, and it should open your website. Now all you gotta do is highlight the folders and drag them in, and you should have those 3 folders. Now after you do that, you might have noticed they don't show up in your Solution Explorer thing, even if you refresh. So I'm gonna refresh. Where's the refresh button? There. Okay, so even if you refresh, they don't show up. You actually have to go to something that says show all files, at the top, which I'm not actually showing up. But yeah, there's. Let me try and get this out. Okay, so the Solution Explorer. On your Solution Explorer, you have a button that says Show All Files. So you press that, and then you'll see the CSS, fonts, and JS folders in there. So you just do right-click, including project, right-click, including project, and you do that to the free folders so that they're part of your project. And then you can just click Show All Files again for it to go away. And that's pretty much it for this part. Now when we go to Bootstrap, we go to the Getting Started page, and there is something called a basic template. Okay, from this template we get the link for the style sheet, and then in our master page we put it right after the title tag, or whatever you want inside the head tag. So I was going to do something, okay, I'm going to just comment Bootstrap and HTML5 requires you to do this. So yeah, we have added the style, but I'm going to use actual Bootstrap CSS. Now for JavaScript, we got to add the script files. You'll need the jQuery and Bootstrap JavaScript files, and you can just copy and paste and change that to bootstrap.js. And let's see if it works. Now if we run the website, we should have a different font. If we don't, then we've got to find out why. Yeah, okay, so the website is actually bootstrapped now. So the site is bootstrapped. And this is how you can see if it is bootstrapped or not. If the style changes, then you did everything correctly. Now, this is pretty much what you have to do to make it bootstrappable. But let's do some stuff. Let's go to the examples page, and let's add a navigation bar. Let me see one that we could use.
It's so annoying not being able to see. Wait, 20 seconds go by and I don't have a clue what you're talking about after. Well.
Which one could I use?
Oh, you're looking at things. It's not even. Look, it says this site is bootstrapped at the moment. Oh, now you just. Yep. Now you're probably explaining something, and now you're on Bootstrap website.
No, I'm looking at the examples. I'm trying to select one of them. I think I'm going to use the sticky static topics navbar. I'll just use the navbar example. Okay, so this is one of the pages, example things that Bootstrap gives you. So if you're on Google Chrome, you can just do right-click inspect element, and it should give you the navigation bar code. You can just right-click, copy as HTML, and then in your master page, you can just add that into the body, right after body to have a navigation bar, and you should get like massive thing go like this. And now let's run it, see if it worked. And yeah, so I've got a navigation bar at the top, and it's responsive, as you can see if I make it smaller, and then everything works fine. This is going too well. Like,
are you complaining?
No, but it just worked straight away.
It's because you're a master builder. I mean programmer.
What?
Master
He's a master builder. about that.
So that's pretty much it. I did it in 20 minutes.
Yay!
Okay, so what can we do now? Any suggestions?
I'd do like other stuff, I guess.
Okay, I could possibly. Don't know. What else can I do? Like, do you have any ideas?
Do you have any other cool tricks you could add to the website with Bootstrap?
Well, there's loads of things.
Well, get it going. You know, cool. Show us the coolest of stuff. You know.
Okay, let's get another example then. What if we try to... we could make a website. We should have what we're doing, but we can actually make a website. So let's do that. Right now we have a default page, which is our home page, basically. Let's change this. Let's make it a TechNewbs live page. Okay, this should probably be in the master stuff, because I want it to appear in all the pages. So you can just do page 1 TechNewbs live websites. Okay, on this, okay, this is fine then. Now let's make it do stuff. Maybe we could have a search thing. Or we could just have like a converter. What kind of utility can we do? Let's make a calculator.
What?
Okay, so let's do something called a literal. Okay, so a literal is like a label, but when it converts to HTML, it does not add the extra span tag. So it's better to use a literal instead of a label for Bootstrap, because Bootstrap requires a lot of syntax to be in an exact form. So if you use label, it will add a span tag, and you don't want that. So let's use literal. Literal ID. What was I? Calculator. So it's gonna be just a simple addition calculator. So literal ID. Label 1, something like that. It doesn't really matter. So text equals to number 1. Number 1. And then what can we? Okay, so it must have a run at server. If it doesn't, then it won't work. Let's change this to have that horizontal rule. Then do H2. Awesome addition calculator. Okay, so really in this we now also need a text box ID first. Okay, text first number run at server, and we're gonna need this twice. So we're gonna copy and paste, change the titles, I mean the IDs, not like. Okay, so now we need a button. ASP button ID calculates. Probably call it the button calculate. It's easier to identify after. Run at server text calculates. Okay, so now we have a button. We have two labels, boxes. What else can we add? Blub, blub, blub. Do you have any?
Yeah. Blub, blub, blub.
Oh yeah, we need something that actually shows the results. So we're gonna do a literal as well, because I'm gonna make the result have some CSS classes from Bootstrap. So id equals to result lit for literal, run at server, and that's it. Okay, so right now it doesn't do anything, and we can look at it and see what it looks like. So right now we have TechNewbs live website, awesome addition calculator. Doesn't do anything right now, but the point is you add a number, add another number, then you press calculate, and it should calculate for us.
Oh.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Okay, so something I noticed is that our body isn't actually in a container, and we want that. So we're gonna do div class container, and then just cut that div, paste it after form, fix your code. You can do that by doing Ctrl E and then D, and then run it again. Let's see if it looks better now. Okay, so everything is in the container now. It's more, I don't know what
Pretty.
Yeah, pretty, whatever. So yeah, okay, well, let's get to coding then. First thing we're gonna do is go to our code for the C# side of things. We probably want to also go to design, double click the calculate button, so we have a click method. So this happens when let me make it clear. This happens when we click the calculate button. Alright, so what's going to happen? We need a string, no, we need an int, and that int's going to be number 1, and that's going to be the text, first number dot text, and the thing is, because it's an integer, we got to do int 32.parse, and then you parse in that text.
As soon as I was like starting to squint, you zoomed in.
Cool.
Oh.
And we do the same for the second number, so we have two numbers, and then once we click the button, we can do int result equals to no1 plus no2, because it's just an addition calculator. And then we do literal, I call it result lit dot text equals to plus result, and everything should be fine. Yeah, let's instead of doing this, I'm going to actually add HTML tags into our literal. So you can do h2 and add result plus. So yeah, in literals you can actually have HTML code. So you could generate HTML code from C#, which is a really cool feature.
That is really cool.
So let's see if this works. It might not work at the first turn. So you got 2 plus 3, and yeah, it worked. So you can actually have really complicated additions, and it will still calculate it for you. Yeah, we did an addition calculator, just like that. Okay, let's look into Bootstrap a bit more. So, the cool thing about Bootstrap is that it has loads of features for styling your website. So if you're going to CSS, you can actually go on and start looking at it. It has its own grid system, which is really cool for designing web pages. You can divide things pretty well and in divisions, not in tables. Tables make your website look bad. It is responsive, so it's even better. So yeah, you can go on to it, and then there's typography, which tells you exactly what kind of font the tags create. You can have headings, secondary text, you can have anything, to be honest. But what we want to do is to actually try and change our button that we created with ASP.NET and make it a Bootstrap button. So to do that, I think I want to know why Larry's crying. For that, we're gonna have to just change the class. So you can either do this in the design part of the code or in C#. But let's do it in the design just because we can. So all we do is CSS class equals to, and I think button is enough, or maybe not. Oh, it's BTN, and then we can do primary button. I think the primary one is the blue one. Yeah. Okay, let's run it. And yeah, now we have a pretty blue button.
I shall pray.
Okay, so I kind of want the form sort of things for our text boxes. I need to find it though. I'm not exactly sure what it is, probably in components. Forms, the groups, breadcrumbs, labels, badges. Oh. Oh, see, there's things
It's a Pokemon bag.
Yeah, sure.
There's something you didn't know? God damn.
Oh yeah, the progress bars are really cool, just so you know.
Why didn't you add one then?
We should add one. I think we should actually, let's have one. But let me try and find the forms first. I kinda wanna use a form. JavaScript. I have no idea what the forms are. Customize. Nope, that's not what CSS. Oh, it wasn't CSS. Okay, so what we want is a form control. Yeah, okay, I think this class will work. So let's go to our text boxes and try it out. So form control. See what it looks like. So yeah, okay, this is a form control, but the thing is, because it's a form control, take the whole space, and we gotta fix that somehow. And I think the way to do it is to create a division first and have a class form group on it. So I'm gonna do that after the h2, so div, and then we do class form group. Put that division closure after the final literal, and let's see if that fixes it. It might not. Oh. Yeah, it doesn't. I think we have to add another element to it. Form. Oh yeah, obviously this is the basic example. I want the smaller one. Form control. Group, form inline. I don't even know if there is a good way to do this. Probably should just give a width to our form inline, form success as feedback. If control label, input success. Let's inspect element of this. Yeah, let's just add a width to our form. So let's do style equals to width. 200 pixels. I think that's what's giving that. It's giving me a suggestion for it. And this thing's pretty smart, so go for the suggestions. Yeah, that looks good. Good, that looks good.
Good.
Okay, so now you copy the font control CSS class, your text box again. I think you can see why I use Bootstrap, because it has loads of things you can use.
Yar.
Okay, and for this I'm actually going to change it. Instead of having a break line, I'm going to have a paragraph. Why do you always sound surprised?
I can't see what you're doing, so everything's kind of a surprise.
So if instead we have paragraphs, I think it will give a better distance between things. And I'm going to go back to this and just put it as something say result. So P result, and then we'll close the P tag as well. Let's run it. And now we have a calculator. Let's enter a number. Give me a number, Nathan.
10,000.
10,000 plus
1. 100.
Oof.
And 59.
Ah,
0.3.
0.3. Oh,
Yeah, your calculator's not going to be able to do decimals. They broke it.
true. Okay, we just handled an exception. This was not planned, this actually happened. Okay, the problem is we are parsing into integers. So it's pretty stupid. We should have used doubles. So this is what we're gonna do.
Amateur.
We create doubles instead. And the parsing is still working because an integer is some sort of double without decimal points. So that's why it still works, but that's not what we want. So let's do double.parse. And we should probably have error handling as well, which we're gonna do in a bit. Okay, so now we can work with decimal points. And we get the result, and the result works. Okay, so imagine we enter text instead of numbers. That will make our website break. So what we're gonna do is have a try and catch closure, and then do number. What number is format exception? I think. Well, you know what? Let's find out what it is. So if you actually remove this and just do that as catch, you should catch everything. The thing is, we don't want that, so I'm going to remove the try for now, and then find out what kind of error that gives if we enter text. So I'm going to enter text, and then it's going to try and parse, and it is format exception. So just add a try. Then catch a format exception, and then if we get the format exception, we're going to make it say that only text allowed. We're going to make that heading 4, only text, only numbers are allowed to be added.
Oh, Julian, sir. Hello, Julian.
Yes. The cool thing is you can actually make this red, so you could just do style equals to color, then red. The problem is, and you can see the problem is that normally in HTML tags we use double speech marks, but when you use literal, you can just use a single speech mark, single quotation mark, and it should work fine. Now to get rid of the warning we have, we just do export to string, and then it just shuts up about it, pretty much. So let's try it now. So let's add text to this, and oh, well, it didn't actually change color. I do something. Oh yes, I did something wrong. I didn't change that. That should be that should say color, not console color.
It's only just you've only just typed console color into the stream. Oh geez, my stream's broken.
Okay, so
Okay.
if you get,
I'm adding that to the call. Okay.
Which one?
does he have questions?
Which one? I don't know. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
That one.
Yes, that one. So right now I have try and catch, so it catches if you type text into it. And even if you try again, let's
Addition calculator.
let's add something very confusing to see. Yeah, see, this is really powerful. So you can actually have pretty complicated number added together. You can even time. Let's do times. Let's.
No, God, we don't have the power to do that.
Yes, we do. You just have to do this.
Oh.
Yeah. Only numbers allowed. I'm gonna change that. So. Yeah, let's do this now. Now it's a multiplication calculator, so it's even more powerful. Let's do some very weird numbers. Ta-da! Okay, we should probably do a string format on our numbers, so each adds commas at every 3 numbers. We could, but that involves a bit of research. Let's do that. So let's find out. C# string to format. So there's something called string format method in C#. Okay, so at 0 in 1 range. Oh, this is really cool. It's really cool, but I'm not going to use it. I just want to do the number thing. Okay, so population. It's probably. So it's 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3. This is it. Okay. Where is it? String. What format? See if this works. I'm not sure if it will. That's the beauty of it, isn't it?
It is beautiful,
It is
Carlos.
amazing.
Beautiful indeed. I don't know what you're talking about because you're highlighting stuff on something.
I'm just trying to. Okay, so let's see if this actually formats. Only numbers allowed. Pretty sure only entry numbers. Syntax error. This is confusing. What have I done wrong? Okay, so apparently it's not getting the results. Oh, it's because it's a format exception. Okay, 2 string, maybe that's why. Nope. Let's do it again. I'm probably not doing this right. Yeah, I'm not. I just realized what the 2 stands for. Yeah, that's not the right way to do it. I just need to find a number one.
Awesome addition calculator.
0,
I like how you put two numbers in and it still worked. It didn't work.
I know, I told you why. You're just not paying attention. Format. Let's see if I can find this. String formats. That's not what I want. I like on Skype, you're just like anything people want.
I didn't mean to, yeah. Uncodable. I cried TechNewbs because the vids lag of internet's my end. Makes sense, Larry. Such sense made.
It is quite laggy, to be honest. But man,
Yeah, the stream is acting a bit strange for me. It's like taking long to load.
It's just delayed, I think.
Oh, mine taking long to load sometimes.
Oh, is it not loading?
Oh, it's loading now, but earlier it wasn't.
it kind
was
of
a bit weird.
loads and then it tries to catch up. I've noticed that. I think it's because of that Twitch plays Pokemon thing. Twitch is getting too many connections.
Oh, is it still running?
Not really.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow. How long is it running for?
Good
It's
luck.
probably 12 days now.
You go look. I don't know where it is.
Is Twitch plays Pokemon?
I honestly don't think that that's going to affect their service that much.
Yeah, it's only 50,000.
No,
Yeah,
it's
considering
game
LOL
pods.
has doubled that.
Yeah,
There's
LOL.
only 50,000 people.
No, but LOL's
Yeah.
got.
LOL's got a 100 at the moment, and that's like average as an average day for LOL. When I was like actual like, European tournaments,
I'm
it's like
talking
300,000.
No, but I'm talking about the input lag.
It's
The
one
servers-
chat.
The servers have to run that as well.
Yeah, I know, but it's not going to affect them that much compared to having like competitions on the stuff, and their servers handle that fine.
String.
Owned.
Huh?
Nothing, Carlos.
No, I know that's what's the problem. I'm just not gonna argue. There's a cat.
Owned.
This is not what I want. I don't want to split anything. String. Separate numbers. I don't want sep numbers. Commas in 1,000 places. Okay, that should probably be it. So string format decimal 0D. In general, okay, I think this is what we should use. Let's try it out.
Nathan's back.
No.
Were you gone?
Did you not hear the background noise go?
What background noise? I don't have background noise.
Yeah, you do. I heard it disappear.
Nah.
Oh, you can just do to string and then that. Okay, let's try it. Okay, let's see if this works. Yeah, okay, that worked. See if it... no, it doesn't. After we do that, it doesn't calculate the decimal places. Dot... Should it be 0? I don't even know. I'm just guessing now. Well, does show
Um.
the decimal places now.
Cam,
Yeah.
what was your score on Flappy Bird?
Why?
Because Julian got 41.
I've got 52. It's okay.
Ah, right, damn it. When did you get 52?
I have 52 from that STP class.
Are you guys really discussing Flappy?
Because I was trying to beat Sean's score and then I gave up.
Oh, right.
Okay. Okay, so we're done that. What else can we do? Matt, do you have any questions? Or do you have any suggestions for the website? Is he even still here?
I think so.
Yeah, I'm muting, so I'm muting my mic.
Oh.
Um,
Don't talk, it's rude.
Did your mother not teach
what have
you
you done so
manners?
far with web?
Huh? Okay, so we've made
What have you
a
done so far with the web?
awesome multiplication. No, it's just like we're just creating a website with Bootstrap, and we want to see if you have like any suggestions or things we could do.
I wanna be able to make dynamic hyperlinks. Is
Dynamic
that a thing?
hyperlinks. Okay.
Well,
Let's
like
do that
it
then.
generates it.
Well, you want to generate
You can create a link or create a session, dynamically.
Yeah, we're not doing sessions today. But
Yeah.
we can do something.
Okay.
Let's create a random hyperlink. So, because that kind of answers your question. So if you have a random,
Okay.
I'm gonna call it rand equals to new random.
Let me switch to.
I need to change the code view so people can read.
Let's switch to stream.
It's kind of delayed, by the way. But yeah, you can. It's fine. Okay, so new random. So int r is going to be the new random dot next, and we're going to have a value of 9001. That will be the maximum value. So yeah, now let's add a literal to. Let's add a link. That was going to be a literal. So this probably should go. I'm going to add it before the awesome calculator and add another horizontal rule. So this is going to be a literal, not fucking literal, id random link generator, run at server. Okay, so because it's a literal, we can add any HTML text to it. So the link's gonna go to a random number. Do you know any website that uses like a number to store a page? Like I know 9gag uses a sort of hash code for like the the pages. Like if we go on 9gag and then it's like gag slash something. Yeah, okay. Do you know any website that
Facebook does the same with photos.
Huh? Yeah, but
Facebook does the same with photos.
Do you know any website actually just uses numbers?
No, I don't think so.
There might be one. I was gonna say 4chan, but I'm not sure if we should do that.
Nah, it's fine.
No, what's wrong with that website?
Don't know. Yeah, 4chan uses numbers. So like we can actually just go into something. Why am I in slash let's go to the Pokemon board.
What Bulbapedia? Let me see. No, they don't use numbers.
No, I mean Pokemon board on 9gag. How can we see an actual post? Okay, so not 9gag, 4chan. So yeah, we're gonna the hard way. We're gonna use 4chan.
Gosh.
Yay. Random. We'll probably need bigger numbers as well.
Michelle is here. Hi, Michelle.
47 million.
Matt said Tickled uses numbers.
Oh yeah, tickled. Yeah,
Is it?
tickled.
Okay.
Yeah,
Tickled sounds safer.
it's a lot safer.
To be fair, if you it's only bad with 4chan if you go looking for it. Like,
Oh yeah, it does. But does it always use T/?
maybe.
Let me see the GIF to see if GIFs have something different. Yeah, it is T/. Okay, we're gonna use tickled number. Okay, tickle sounds a bit more safe. I'm not saying it is though. So all we do is simply this. So we do A and then href, and then we get this part of the link, and then we just close it. I don't know why this is giving me as a link. It shouldn't. Hey, whatever. And then this, and then you do plus the random value, and then you do, let's do target, let's do blank, so it opens up a new page instead of one we're working on, and then we can just close it. So random tickled. See if I can add this to the next slide. Oh well then. Apparently the delays of 3 minutes. It's not really. I'm looking at it right now. It's not that much.
It's not 3 minutes.
Probably
It's 3 minutes.
10. Not tickled, not tickled. Gosh dang. Okay, so
Getting distracted, eh?
who's getting this one?
You.
Is there any way
I
to
think
remove this? Annoying. Convert it to a link. I don't want it to. Anyways, random tickled, and then we should probably also show the number that we're looking at, just to for test purposes. So now let's run the page. It should give us a random number. Obviously, it might not work because it just might not. And we click on it, and we get this, a random link to this GIF.
what's it a GIF of?
I don't know.
Oh,
It's a
is
page.
it SFW?
It is safe for viewing.
Well, we're not at work, so YOLO.
Don't you hate it when you can't find your pocket law? Okay, so this is actually going to be different every time. So this is a dynamic hyperlink. Although it goes to the exact same thing. I think it goes to the exact same thing because we're loading the same failure page, so that page doesn't actually exist. So let's do the oh wait, did I actually add that? No, I didn't. I'm stupid. So I am stupid. Nathan? Agree, I'm stupid. Agree with
You're
me.
stupid, yes. Yes.
Okay.
Too scared.
What am I agreeing to? Why is he stupid?
Because I didn't actually. Okay, so it goes to a page not found. It's gonna be pretty hard to find one that actually works. But you can see that the link changes. How far should the numbers be? Let's try 4,000 only.
Whoa. No colors, no frustration. It's over 9,000.
Okay, let's try smaller numbers. Nope. It's gonna be really hard to actually find one that works.
Yeah.
Oh, we found one that
But-
works. Am I the only one that finds in certain places? Okay, the point was to actually show a random generated link, so a dynamic link, and this is pretty much a dynamic link. Do you know what else we can do with it? It's dynamic. So yeah, what else can we do? Oh look, it's been an hour. I just realized. We've done an hour of code. Okay.
Bye, guys.
And see you losers later.
We're not going yet. If people that want to learn more stuff.
You should probably change just like a night of code.
Nah.
Because I doubt we'll ever only do it just for an hour.
Well, it is called Hour
Hey.
of Code, and we've done an hour, so we've done an hour, you know. By the way, I'm gonna upload this as a full 1 hour thing to YouTube,
What?
so I'm not gonna break it into
Gonna have to sit through everything, even the awkward silences. Oh yeah.
Yes. It's gonna be on YouTube if you guys want to recap, obviously.
Yeah, I'll recap.
Oh, we came back.
Well, I need to watch it on.
I thought you heard me say boo, but clearly you didn't.
What?
I said boo.
Boo.
Alright, boo.
Boo. What? We're not saying bad words. Well, to be honest, it's a scientific term. I think.
Can I say a bad word?
Maybe.
Bad.
How's bad a bad word? Bad's good.
Because it's bad.
Yeah.
A bad can't be a bad word. It's a good word to use.
What? But bad.
Bad.
Oh, my stream's reloading. Oh, I hate my stream.
Okay.
So, if we get over 5,000 viewers today, I'll shave my head.
Well,
If you get over what?
5,000 viewers today.
5,000 viewers.
Yeah.
I think we should well, but in 2 hours.
only 4,992 to go.
Yeah.
Let's make a mini job on Neobucks.
Yep.
Get them all to watch it.
We should just advertise our next hour of code. Yeah, we didn't say that.
Yeah.
You should copy and paste the source, the code you've written into a Google Doc and put it in the description of the video.
Yeah.
Nah,
Probably a good idea.
unless we get another subscriber on YouTube right now.
How
Okay,
far have you
next
guys gotten on systems programming?
Not far.
We just got another viewer, so
What?
Oh, this is working.
Conspiracy. Conspiracy. I didn't mean that 5,000 viewer thing.
Is the
Jeez.
views going up?
We got one more.
Sam, if you keep refreshing, it keeps adding on.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah, just open
Auto refresh.
5,000
Every 5 seconds and start. We're good to go.
It will keep
5,000.
on going up until we actually refresh our own page. It's messed up. But yeah,
Surely that's eventually block my IP from registering though.
it's not.
There's like a few.
And it's just, it's their fault. It's their system.
Okay.
But
Good luck,
anyway,
mate.
that's it for today.
Woo!
This is our first hour of code. We're probably going to do this every Tuesday.
Code. Hour of code. We like
We don't
code
have a
in an
theme.
hour. That's our theme.
Ooh.
Yay, we did it.
Okay, sure.
Ad price time.
What? Oh, so yeah, if you guys would like to like our Facebook page, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That'll be great. I'll subscribe to Twitch because you get an email every time we go online. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
Hour of code. Hour of code. Thanks for tuning in for the hour of code.
Da, 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 da. Okay.
Da, 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 da.
Bye.